Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2027 ROCKWOOD Ultralight. It's the 2711RK. Brand new floor plan, great couples camper, 2 slides. You got the rear kitchen, some nice new features on the 27, new more rod steps. But we've been waiting on this a while. Outside refrigerator. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, before we head inside, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as soon as you come in, your rear kitchen, sitting area, bedroom, bathroom up front. That's where we'll start. You've got a huge walk-in closet, lots of countertop, shelving that's removable, and washer dryer prep. You can do stackable or all-in-one. Drawers, your Starlink prep. You've got an adjustable shelf here, or rack here for hanging, pocket door. You got the shower miser. I'm 6'5", plenty of room. I'm nowhere near the skylight. Glass doors, tons of storage. You've got LED night lights, lots of countertop space. Maxxair fan, controls on the wall here. Receptacles, porcelain toilet with the foot flush. You got AC ducts in the ceiling. Your master bedroom, you got a king size bed with shelving, receptacles, storage underneath. These are chairs. I'll show you those in a second in the living room. Shocks that hold those up. We'll hold the bed up. Reading lights, overhead storage. You're prepped for TV. Lots of storage down low. We do have 2 ACs in this. Another solid door. As soon as you come in, your WeRV controls and your solar controller, your second thermostat. You do have controls for your lights, your slides. Check your holding tanks, your awning, all right here. Fuse panel, circuit breakers down low. Your theater seats. You can have storage under one of the cushions. You have roller shades throughout. Pull cords here are for the footrest to pull out. Those roller shades. And you got your windows that open. These lights are touch. Again, windows that open. Receptacles, cup holders. It is directly across from the TV. Got the fireplace. That TV does drop down in the cabinet. The controls are here. It's electric, touch of a button. Drops the TV down. While that's going down, you got the controls here for your zones. Your stereo, your TV, dual zone. And then lots of countertop space when that's down. Windows that open, roller shades. This is where you pull out the cabinet. or the counter, and you've got a spot to eat. You can put your 2 chairs there. Storage throughout. Your pantry. You've got flush slide. Freezer down low. 12-volt refrigerator. Millersburg Made is your booklet that has all your goodies, your manuals, everything in one convenient area. QR code. Also, your bag's got some goodies in there as well. Outside shower, water filtration, everything in one neat area as well. Large oven, 3-burner range with the cover. Light and exhaust. It does exhaust outside. Microwaves at a good height. Tons of cabinet space with the magnets. Pop-up receptacles, charging areas. Solid surface countertops and the large stainless sink. Your brand new 2027 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. It's the 2711. So brand new floor plan. Lots of room for entertaining. 2711RK. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front cap. You've got your auto leveling, 2 20-pound LP bottles under cover, dual battery box. It will come with one. Got a nice rock guard. 2711's got a dry weight, 7,818 pounds. Your docking light controls are here. We did equip this with slide toppers over your slide outs. Your pull valve for your black and gray tanks. You got a magnet that holds up these compartment doors like so. There's your storage under the bed, slam latch. Then you got another compartment here, gives you some storage in the back. Your rear gray pull valves. You got the water filtration, easy access compartment here. We are looking at a 50 amp service. As for the water filtration, you've got convenience area here on the back, water winterization, black tank flush, outside shower, backside of your furnace. Your receiver here on the back has got a 300-pound weight rating. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got Maxxair fan cover, 2 ACs, solar panel, top of those slide toppers, nice clean roof. Got a backup camera prep, your exhaust for your range. Moving around to the campsite, you've got outside refrigerator, your cable and power here. You can bring your TV outside and hook it up there. Rack if you want to get an aftermarket griddle or table. You got the LP Quick Connect. More rod step above, entry steps. They fold right up into the camper. And you've got the nice extended Stromberg assist handle that folds up like so. You've got convenience light, Goodyear Endurance tires. Spare tire drops from here. Back side of your hot water heater. Your prep for a portable solar panel, which will trickle charge those batteries, and you can kind of move it around, set it if you're in the shade. Full length power awning's got the support arm in the middle. It's got the LED lights. Your brand new 2027 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. It's the 2711RK. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slide in. You got no issues getting to the fridge, oven, sink. You can remove the L shape or leave it on. And you can climb over the bed if need be, if you need to go to the restroom, or you can put the slide out, but you can climb right over to get into the bathroom. So slide in, pretty accessible.